little difference. It's not so much what's going on here at IU, it's sort of what weird and wonderful things you can do with this kind of education. They kind of, in the materials, they kind of pitched the computer graphics part, so I said, okay, I'll hit that. But also all the other things, including my current line of research, which is artificial life. So I started out doing computational fluid dynamics. And when you can program computers and you're comfortable with computers, there's so many things you can do. You'll see, this is all drawn from my career, and I've had at least 4 or 5 of them now. These were streamlines over the surface of the space shuttle about 8 years before the space shuttle existed, trying to calculate the temperature and pressure distributions so that they could design what ultimately became the tiles so that they could absorb the heat that they were going to have to deal with during re-entry. And moved on from that to computer graphics. Had a genuine crisis of conscience at some point. I guess I forgot to include some of the stuff I did on submarine hydrodynamics. But from that, I found out about these 2 guys who had bought a Cray XMP supercomputer out of their garage, and they were creating a company to do computer graphics special effects for Hollywood. And thought, well, am I giving up science for Hollywood? But actually, there's a ton of cool science behind these images, and ended up being just an absolutely wonderful period. Has anyone actually seen The Last Starfighter? The laptop, but it's a small enough room. Hopefully that's...
Switches on.
Is it possible to get the lights right up here again?
You know what? Yeah.